Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the app language in Yandex Browser on your mobile device. This is very useful if you prefer to use the browser in a language different from your device's default. First, open Yandex Browser on your mobile device. Next, locate the three-line menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then, click on the Settings icon to access the browser settings. After that, look for the app language option and click on it. Next, turn off the Set Automatically option to allow manual selection of a new language. Then, click on Download to next the language you want to use and select it. Finally, after choosing your preferred language, click on Restart to apply the changes. Once the browser restarts, it will display in the new language you selected, making it easier to navigate and use according to your preference. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.